Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send crypto from your TREZOR Model One. To do it, you'll need to have your TREZOR suite opened and TREZOR Model One connected to your computer. Now select the type of coin that you have activated and do you have any assets on, and you'll be able to send it. I'll be using the testnet coins because I typically just record videos on Solana, but this wallet doesn't support Solana currency, so I'll just use the testnet one. If you want to send crypto, then simply click on send, then enter the address you want to send it to, and enter the amount. I'll send the max. Just all my crypto that I have on the wallet, but you can type in the amount, and if it's an actual crypto that holds any value, then on the left side you'll have the crypto value, and on the right side you can enter the value in euros, in USD, in Canadian dollars, or anything like that. Now you can do something in advanced here, but I'll just do the standard fee, and you can review and send. Now on the TREZOR you'll need to confirm it. So first confirm the address you're sending it to. It is very important to confirm it because if your computer is hacked for any reason, then if you type the address in, it may change it before sending to TREZOR, but the TREZOR will always show you the address that it actually got. So this is very important. Verify the address on TREZOR, then click on confirm. Now confirm the value, the amount and the fee. Click on confirm, and now click on send in the app. And now it's sent securely. And that's how you do it, basically. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.